One last task that we forgot to add is the golden snitch. Alright, so let's go ahead and work on that now. And basically the golden snitch is going to behave just like the golden ball, except it'll be ultra rare, right? So if the flowers are common, the swirl ball is rare, the golden ball is rarer, then the golden snitch will be ultra rare. Not only will it be ultra rare, but it also will behave like the golden snitch in Harry Potter, and it will fly around the screen. Right. So let's go ahead and do that. So first of all, what it's going to need is this: when I receive start game from any one of the balls, right, the flower, the swirl, or the golden. So let's go ahead and put that over here on golden snitch, and then it's also going to need when I start as clone. So let's go ahead and give that to golden snitch as well. So we are here, and I want it to be ultra rare. So this weight random right here, I'm gonna make it random 24 to 34 seconds. Okay, ultra rare. It's gonna start as clone and go to a random location on the screen and show. Okay, if touching the players, it's going to increase the score by 5. Okay, 5. Alright, so now we need to add something special. The golden snitch is going to randomly move to different locations. Okay, and so the way that we're going to do that is we're going to go to motion, we're going to do glide, okay, to a random number of seconds, to a random X position, and a random Y position. So the way we get randomness into our games, of course, is under operators. We get pick random number. We'll put one there. We'll put one there. And we will put one there. Okay. So the random number of seconds that it will take to glide, let's put 0.5 to 3 seconds. And also the random X is going to be negative 240 to 240. The random Y is going to be negative 180 to 180, right? So glide to any random location. And one thing we're missing is also the golden snitch. If you look under costumes, has all of these different costumes. All right, and when you have them running in a forever loop with the next costume, it will look like the golden snitch is flying. So let's come back over to our scripts, and we will add that in. So we will say when I start as clone, forever looks next costume. Okay, I don't want to put next costume here. Okay, so why not? Because it will switch to the next costume, and then it will finish gliding, which could take up to 3 seconds. And then it will iterate the forever loop again, and it will switch to the next costume. So if we put the next costume in here, it's going to have a big delay because of this glide. Okay, and it's not going to change costumes while it's gliding. So that's why we're going to have 2 start as clone, right? And they're both going to happen at the same time. This is going to happen, and this is going to happen. Right? So he will be animating while he flies around the screen. Let's try it out. Well, let me just double click this and double click this, and you could see the golden snitch is flapping his wings and he is flying around the screen randomly. And we have our if statements in here. So if he does touch either of the players, then their score is going to go up by 5. Alright, so there we go. And I think this glide of 3 seconds is a little too high, so I'm going to put 1.5 so he's more jittery like he is in Harry Potter. That looks better. And there you go, golden snitch.